Hi everyone, I am back from vacation. I'll be back with fresh videos from my vacation and stories about my vacation at the beginning of next month. But I wanted to tell you I'm home. My nose is a little stuffy. I seem to be allergic to being home. Getting my land legs. But I have this friend. This is his YouTube channel. It's H3 Family Vlogs. And his name is Nick. That's Nick. That's Brittany, and that's their little girl, Savannah. And he does this travel vlog about cruising. And he was trying so hard to reach this 1,000 subscriber mark. He's really, really trying hard to get to that point. And he wanted to do it before he got on his cruise. He got on the Carnival Splendor on the day we got off the Carnival Splendor. And that, I was really kind of bummed that we weren't on the same ship at the same time, but it turned out to be a really cool thing, because what I decided to do was to do a scavenger hunt for them. And so he's going to put that on his vlog during his time that he's on the ship this week, and I thought you guys might be interested. So let me show you what where's my pictures? There. What I did is, can you see that? I'm trying to get the glare off. There we go. That's good. There were some places where I took pictures of where I was going to hide a piece of my artwork for them to find. All around the ship. I took 6 pieces and one little extra gift that I'm gifting to their daughter, and hid them throughout the ship. So this is one of the places where I hid. This is his clue, and he's got to go find the area where this picture was taken and find the piece of art that is hidden there. So that's the first one. That's the second one. Can you guys see that? That's the third one. I feel like it's not in focus, but I guess it is. Okay, that's the fourth one. That's the fifth one. And that's the 6th one. So those are the 6 places where I hid a piece of art. And then here are the pieces of art. That one is the one, I had to put that one in a baggie because that was the one that was outside. I didn't want it to get wet. Hopefully they'll find it. There's that one. There's that one. And I took a picture of it with a little bit of a clue as to which piece of art is in which area. There's that one. There's that one. And there's that one. And so all of those were drawn on my channel. And I put on the back of them, I don't have it with me, but on the back I made a sticker that said, "Congratulations, you've found a piece of found art from Draw Tangles with Dawn. It's yours to keep or give away as you see fit." And so what he said he was going to do is he's going to try to find them. He's going to vlog about it, about his little scavenger hunt. He is going to then look at the different pieces of art and keep the ones he wants to keep. And then he's going to re-hide the others, which I think is really cool. I'm going to ask him to write on the back of each of the ones that he decides to re-hide his channel name, and that you can find about the scavenger hunt on his channel. And hopefully that'd be, you know, something that can perpetuate a couple of times. That would be awesome. But anyway, I wanted you guys to see that. If you could please subscribe to his channel. Here it is again, H3 Family Vlogs. And you know, the title doesn't really explain what he does on his channels. Most of what he does is talking about his trips and his experiences on Carnival Cruise Line. I think they're mostly Carnival Cruise. But he only hit 500 subscribers 5 months ago. So he was really excited to try to get to that 1,000. He tried so hard. Whoops, I don't want that to start playing. He tried so hard to do that before he left on his vacation, but we didn't quite make it. So I thought, you know what? I've got some subscribers. I can make a request and see if I can get 9 people. It's only 9 people. I've got like 17,000 subscribers. There's at least 9 of you who might be interested in cruising and watching his channel. And you know, I just thought I would give it a go, and that you guys might be interested in watching his scavenger hunt anyway, if nothing else. That's it. I will work on making new drawings tomorrow. I'm trying to get my sea legs, my land legs. I feel like I'm still rocking and rolling. That doesn't usually happen to me when I get off the ship. Sometimes I feel it a little bit, but I'm feeling it a lot this time. We did have a lot of movement. We had a lot of movement on the last 2 days, and I think that's what did it. So I'm going to take the rest of today off. I slept like 12 hours last night, which is awesome because, you know, when you're on vacation, you just don't get any sleep. At least I don't. And, yeah, we're going to do a little bit of yard work. Today is the first day. It has been not raining on a weekend since like Thanksgiving. And it's not windy. We've had nothing but rain and wind for months. And so we're going to do some yard work. My husband's going to put in the sprinkler system to the plants that are in the flower bed above the spa, and try to get the sprinkler timers in and all of that. So yeah, we're going to try to work on that. We're going to try to get our sea legs back, or our land legs. I don't know what you call it. My sea legs were fine. I was fine when I was out there on the sea, but boy, oh boy, do I feel like I'm rocking and rolling, standing still on dry land. So take a couple of days to feel better. I will do some drawing tomorrow. I have tomorrow off before I have to go back to work, and I will give you guys some stories about what we did and how we got on and all of that. And I will see you guys later. So please, please, please do me that favor if you can. I understand if it's not your thing, don't do it. I'm not telling you have to. I'm just asking if it's something you're interested in, if you would please give them a try anyways. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today, and let's make the world a better place, okay? See you later.